Hello guys, welcome back to another Forex analysis. For the let me throw out the calendar for the month of February, and starting from 3rd to 7th, 3rd, which is on Monday to Friday, 3rd to 7th. So for the last week, I know GBP JPY was part of the pairs that I wanted to trade, and I think I took the trade I only took was from the GBP JPY, which is this, and it was a loss. So let me show you how and the reason why I took the trade. So on the daily time frame, we're having a market that was moving to the downside, which was on this row. Then we saw price closed above the recent high structure. So I was like, cool, okay. When price retraces back, I will take the buy. Then I went to the 1 hour to look for the buys. Then I spotted this double bottom here. So I was like, okay, the price is giving a double bottom. I'm not entering. Let me wait for the break of the neckline of the double bottom, which was here, which was this area. So I saw the breakout and the retest. Then I initially missed this entry, so I was like, okay, cool, let me wait for the retest of the neckline for the buy continuation. So the market actually came back, gave an entry signal on the 30 minutes time frame, which was this candle right here, which was this hammer candle, which is it looks like a money star also. So I entered the trade. Immediately I entered this trade. Few minutes later or few hours later, I saw this bullish engulfing candle. So I was like, oh, this is done. Let me sit back and watch the trade hit, take profit. Then during the night we consolidated over here because of the Asian session. Then the next thing that happened was boom, 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 fucking stop loss. So that's for that. So for the upcoming week, now for the price to like make this move to the upside and decline back down, because last week I also saw this price action. I saw this price action that looked so much like a reversal pattern. This one, it looks so much like a reversal pattern. So I was like, I think price is going to react off here and push to the downside. But because of this structure, I so much believe it was going to push up. But now, reverse was the case. It pushed all the way down, closing below this area of interest again. Because as you can see, whenever we are below this area of interest, we completely go down, tap to the downside. Whenever we're above, we tap to the upside. So we came above, we tapped, and we didn't move to the upside. Then we closed below. So what I'm waiting now for this week that we're going to enter is going to wait for a shift of structure on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we're having something like this. So I want to see something like this happen, close below this swing low, then a retest, then to continue to take this straight to the downside. If this price doesn't go bearish, I will not take this trade. So that is for GBP JPY. Then I also have GBP CHF, which I'm also going to look at for. As you can see, the daily is bearish. The weekly too is also bearish. As you can see, we had higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we had lower low. Though we had a deeper pullback, but still inside the zone. It was unable to close above here. So we are still bearish on the weekly. So on the daily is very clean and clear. We were having low, high, low, high, then lower low. Then now we are currently at the area of interest to make a potential lower high to give a new lower low. So here next week, CHFJPY is actually my first pair for next week. So what I'll be waiting to happen here is just the same as the GBP JPY. I just want a test of this zone, then the breaker, then retest to sell. So I'll wait for price to develop more price action. You can also throw the trend line. Then you can also say when you get a break and retest of the trend line, then you sell, something like that. So this one is pretty simple. We are looking for sales on CHFJPY. So I also have other pairs, which is AUD card. AUD card is going to be ready like during the week, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. Because all I want to see, the price is already bullish. Like this price movement signifies is bullish because it closed above all these recent high. Then we retested. Then we are now on the phase of making a new higher high, but the price is still here. So what I'm seeing here is that when the market open next week, we're going to see a more push to the upside to actually close above these highs. Then we'll wait for the retest to continue on the price to the upside. So this is what I'm saying. We cannot actually do anything over here again because the train has already left the train station, so there's no need to chase it. This was supposed to be the potential trade we're supposed to take, but again, the candles were just printing two so long candles, but the price has already moved. We'll just wait for the buy continuation after the daily candle has successfully closed above, then retest, then we enter for buy continuations. That is for AUD car, which is going to be ready maybe at the middle of the week. Then again, I think I have other pairs here, which is USD CHF. USD CHF is still the same thing. I expected it to move further down, but it seems it has strong head. It wants to continue to move to the upside, but I will really be interested to buy this market if it can like give red candles of retracement, then to push the market to the upside. That is only when I'll be interested in USD CHF. Then again, I have GBP card. GBP card was supposed to also continue to the downside, but it decided to move to the upside. So again, what I'll be expecting for GBP card is a retracement down, then to move to the upside, Then the candle printing on the lower time frames are not so encouraging. So this price action over here, I'll just look away from it, then wait for a new market structure, to develop in order to take this trade. Although these markets, USD GBP card, are the least of the market here. They are not, like you can see here, they are on the column for not ready. Potential pair is just AUD card, which is going to be ready in the middle of the week. Then the pairs that are ready that I want to trade at the beginning of the week is CHFJPY and GBPJPY. So these are the pairs I have for the upcoming week. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, then drop comments on what you think about the analysis. See you next week.